Hi guys, welcome to Oracle installation on Linux. In this tutorial we will see how to Oracle Grid software installation in Linux. This is mobile external software. So first we need to open this application or software. The mobile external professional. So here click on session and then protocol for SSH and then remote host 192.168.1.10 and after that specify username. Great. So click on OK button. Here we can see the password window. So if after giving the password, now we can see the grid user is connected in mobile external. So let's see the current directory. This is /home/grid. So this is the base directory of grid user of this Oracle. So cd, we need to change the directory cd/u01/app/grid. Here we can see the list of file. First we need to run the, here we can see actually grid setup.sh. So we will execute this file dot slash grid setup. I will copy this one, copy and then paste. So after hitting on enter key from our keyboard, our installation will execute. But here we can see the error, unable to run the setup script as user grid. Run the setup script from a location where. So we need to fix this one first. Maybe it is a permission issue. So first we need to change this. We need to fix this issue. So go back the grid WinSCP software. Here we can see grid. This is the U01/app/grid. So this is the, and inside the 19.3.0, this is the software directory of grid software. So first we need to give the privilege on this directory for grid user. If not, we must have to give this privilege. So this is WinSCP. So I just want to minimize this one, and we need to go switch back to Pucci software. This is mobile extra. Okay, this is the directory. Now we will try it again. ./grid setup.sh. Here we can see the same error again. Appear again. So this is the fact. We do not need to use this 12 section. Actually, we need to give this a full path. So if we try it again, Here we can see the grid software installation window. Here we need to fix the privilege on that software directory for grid user. If not, you must have to give the privilege. Here we need to select the option, second option, configure Oracle database, and then we need to change the directory discovery path. Here we need to give the /dev /oracle asm /disk /star, and then okay. Here we can see the possible uh, disk path. So we will select disk 1 and disk 2, and then this the redundancy will be normal because we have two disk path for ASM. Click on next, and here we need to give the password for grid ASM, specify ASM, so we will set this ASM 123 actually. So 123 and click on next. This is not a Oracle recommended password, and then click on next button. This is a Oracle grid user group. This is the base directory of grid software. Click on next, and then next. Here we can see inappreciate the permission for the specified inventory directory. So first we need to give the privilege of grid user for this. We need to run this one again because somehow this privilege was revoked. If we face this problem, we must have to run two commands, change mode and change owner. And here we can see the package issue. We need to execute this two package. So this is the package name, and this package is needed to uh, proceed the next step. So we need to change the directory to install the package, missing package. So here we can see ASM RPM Linux 7.9. Here it is. Here we can see package combat lib stdc. In the list we can see the first one. So we need to execute this RPM first. RPM minus IPS space RPM name. Our RPM name, this is RPM name. Hitting on enter key, our installation is in progress. So installation completed, and then we need to execute this another RPM. So we need to go grid software directory /u01 app /19.3.0/grid. Here we need to search this file. So we can find this package, find minus name, then package name cpuq disk, then start. Here we can see the second one is. So we need to change the directory cv/rpm, and inside this RPM folder we can see the list of RPMs. So we need to execute this RPM minus IPH space then package name. So this is the package name. Okay, after hitting on enter key, our package is installed successfully. So go back to the graphical view and back button and then next button. Our installation is now started. Our installation completed. Click on insert button. Installation is summary. So click on install button to proceed the final installation of grid software. Here we can see two scripts to be executed. Just copy these two and we must have to run this script as root user. So this is root user. Just copy the script location slash u01 slash app slash our inventory slash our install root. Here we can see our script executed successfully, and then another one is u01 slash app slash 19.3.0 and then grid then root.sh then root.sh. After hitting an enter key, execution will be done. So our click on now press on enter key to execute. Enter the full path name. So this will be default directory, so we do not need to change this one. Just hit on enter key. Our script execution is in progress. Operation successful means our script ran successfully. So go back to visual mode and then OK. So installation.
হচ্ছে আপনার ওই যে যদি আপনি বড় কোনো
So
SQL
our
চালান
grid software installation completed. Please and OK and close button to complete. Thank you so much for watching this video.